Hello everyone, welcome back to hemsjunction. In today's video, I have shared the mind map of the class 10 chapter, How do Organisms Reproduce? This is the part 1 of the mind map. Do subscribe and press bell icon to stay updated of the upcoming mind maps. The timestamps and more key points of the chapter are shared in the description box. Here is the complete mind map. What is reproduction? It is the biological process by which offsprings are produced from their parents. It is of two types, asexual and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction involves single parent and produces offspring that are genetically identical to the parent. Sexual reproduction involves two parents, male and female, and produce genetically unique offspring. Let's see the different modes of asexual reproduction. Fission. The process of reproduction by which a unicellular organism splits into two or more than two separate daughter cells. It is of two types, binary fission and multiple fission. Fragmentation. Some multicellular organisms, upon maturation, break into smaller fragments or pieces. These fragments grow into new individual. Regeneration. In this, development of new organism occurs from just a broken or cut part of parent organism. Budding. Here, a daughter organism is formed from a small projection known as bud. It develops as an outgrowth due to repeated cell divisions at a specific site. When fully grown, it detaches to grow into a new independent individual. Spore formation. A spore is a single-celled or multi-celled reproductive structure which gets separated from its parent and under favorable conditions gives rise to a new individual. Vegetative propagation. New plants are obtained from parts of parent plant. It is of two types. Natural vegetative propagation is through roots, stem, leaves. Artificial vegetative propagation is done by humans through cutting, layering, grafting, tissue culture. Now let's look into the sexual mode of reproduction. Here is the sexual reproduction in flowering plants. The reproductive parts are located in the flower. Parts of the flower are sepals, petals, stamen, pistil. Here is the complete mind map. Contains either stamen or pistil. A bisexual flower contains both stamen and pistil. Stamen is the male reproductive part. Pistil is the female reproductive part, which is made up of one or more carpels. A carpel consists of ovary, style, stigma. Let's see the steps involved in sexual reproduction in plants. Pollination. Fertilization. Seed and fruit formation. Germination. Now let's see the sexual reproduction in human beings. Male reproductive system, female reproductive system. In the next part 2, I shall be sharing the detailed mind map of the sexual reproduction in human beings. Hope you found this mind map helpful. Do subscribe and press the bell icon to stay updated of the upcoming mind maps. You may also like to check out these videos. Thank you.